webcloud overview Part 2.
Another feature is the log history. Log history gives an idea of the things that happened in the site. Here you can manage log history. Configure web pages is yet another important feature of the website. There you can see different form templates. First one is dynamic feedback form template. If you want to create an application form or a form containing different types of components like edit box, combo box or different input methods, you can use dynamic feedback form template. Next is location master or location template page settings. If we want to create pages related to specific country or state, this template is used. For example, this feature can be used to list hotels in the popular cities of India. This feature can be utilized in creating a business directory. Next important feature of webcloud is the discussion forum. This is similar to the usual discussion forums of other websites. In addition to this discussion forum can be configured as a blog as well as a bug tracking forum. Dynamic table and newspaper template page settings can be used to create news slides which can display different types of news in different pattern. That is, the page can be splitted into rows and columns. For example, a web page be splitted into 2 rows and 2 columns. Then, news can be displayed in each cell. Thus, the web page for a news site can be created using webcloud. Cloud automation default settings. If you want to automate the website in the cloud or if you want to publish everything in the cloud, these settings are to be configured. In the layout and theme, you can change the website layout and themes. Here see the current layout of the page. Now we will change this layout here. This site is actually hosted in GoDaddy. GoDaddy is a shared hosting server which can be used to host different types of websites.